It's the week of Italian cuisine in the world, where every year we celebrate Italy's outstanding food and wine traditions as defining traits of Italian identity and culture. As always, the IIC and the Consulate General of Italy have quite a few events lined up in San Francisco to celebrate the art of Italian cuisine. But before you grab knives and forks, let me introduce myself. I'm Marco in a Box, and you're watching Unboxing Italy. Buon appetito! Today I'm at INNOVIT, where the Italian Culture Institute of San Francisco is hosting a very special pasta making workshop presented by the Casa Artusi Cooking School. Our teachers are masterful ambassadors of Italian home cooking, the Mariette, famous fogline of Casa Artusi, who traveled all the way from Emilia-Romagna to show us how to make la sfoglia di una volta. Fresh egg pasta, kneaded by hand and rolled paper thin with a long, narrow rolling pin, the legendary technique that is the soul of the cooking of Emilia-Romagna. The Mariette is a group of more than 100 volunteers dedicated to protecting and passing on the experience and traditions of home cooking from generation to generation. Just like my nonna did with my mama, and my mama did with me, I guess. Tagliatelle, tagliolini, pappardelle, garganelli, maltagliati, tortelli, tortellini, and more. The IIC San Francisco, in collaboration with the Consulate General of Italy and the Italian Trade Agency, is proud to host these events and to welcome a delegation from the Emilia-Romagna region, together with its president, Stefano Bonaccini. And the best part is that now we get to taste some more food and wine from Emilia-Romagna. Well, this was awesome and so delicious, but it's time to go to our next event. Follow me. I'm now in the gardens of the Consulate General of Italy in San Francisco for 2 more weeks of Italian cuisine events. You know it's an Italian outpost when there's a big oven behind you, and that's no ordinary pizza oven, it's all the way from Naples. So you may have guessed what we're making today. It's a pizza masterclass. Our skillful master pizzaioli are from restaurant A16. They're here to train a group of apprentice cooks from Refettorio, a network of kitchens feeding vulnerable communities and homeless people in cities throughout the world. Here in San Francisco, Refettorio is a collaboration between local NGO Farming Hope and international non-profit Food for Soul, founded by famous Italian chef Massimo Bottura. Most of these apprentices are themselves either formerly homeless or incarcerated. Refettorio provides a training program and full-time employment opportunities, helping them to start a new life through the love of food. Now get your tomato juices flowing and those dough balls rolling, because we're about to learn how to make the one, the only Neapolitan pizza. Another event is about to start, the 3rd annual Carol Field Award. In America, Carol Field was to the ciabatta and focaccia where Julia Child was to the baguette. She brought Italian baking into American kitchens. To honor her for championing Italian gastronomy on the west coast of the United States, the Italian Consulate General in San Francisco, together with the IIC and Accademia Italiana della Cucina Bay Area chapter, established a special award in her name, which recognizes distinguished ambassadors of Italian food culture. This year's recipient is Gary Rulli, one of America's finest pastry chefs, named Ambassador of Panettone by Forbes Italia. Co-owner of Emporio Rulli and Resto Bar, at the age of 19 he apprenticed under master chefs in Milan and Turin to learn the time-honored traditions of northern Italian pastry making. Congratulations Gary, and grazie mille! I'll see you on the next episode. Ciao e buon appetito!